Hey JBY fam, welcome back to my channel. I am going to create a everyday wear with a bold lip. And yes, I do make mistakes, my camera fell. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep following. As always, I brush out my eyebrows and then I start filling them in with black eyeshadow. I mainly use this towards the middle and ends to give it a more dark and crisp type of look, and then I use a brown eyeshadow to make the more of the top of the eyebrow more natural looking. And then I start concealing my eyebrows for a more nice clean look. And then I always put moisturizer on my lips if I know I'm going to wear lipstick or something like that. And then, as always, blend, blend, blend. You do not want any harsh lines. And then I start moving on to my eyelids for eyeshadow, just a basic bronzer as a primer. And then I start going in with my neutral colors, like an oranges and then a dark brown, brownish type tones. I like to use the NYX birthday palette. It's very pigmented, so I always just do that for my lids and just build on as needed. And then I'm going to add some blush to my lower lash line. I like to create a smokiness to it, but not a dark color, so that's why I'm using like a pinkish color for my lower lash line. Then I'm adding my eyeliner. I like to make my wing just enough where it's kind of sticking out, not too extravagant. And I like to make it thin as I possibly can on the eyelid. And I do the same for the other eye. And I go in with my small brush to highlight my eyebrows and also the inner corner of my eyes with some highlighter. And then I go in with my mascara. As you can see, I would like to eventually start wearing some lashes every now and then when I go out. I like how they look, and they look so natural on people, and they just like elongate your eyelashes. And then I use my pressed powder, the same color as my skin tone, to get the skin discoloration even. So I have uneven skin tone mainly on my forehead, cheeks, and chin. Yes, I did skip foundation because I don't wear foundation. I just simply use a beauty blender to blend all of this in, just to bring some color to my face. And then I also like to contour my face, so my face is still a little pale from winter, so it just to add some color and dimension to my face. I'm really in love with this contour that I'm using. It's the only one I found that can show up on my skin. So besides if I use like a darker concealer to do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also follow my blog for more updates like this. And then I start to add highlighter to my nose, upper lip, and cheeks. I don't try to go overboard with highlighter because I normally become oily throughout the day, so I feel like it's even more like oily for me or something like that. And then I just put a small amount of blush on my cheeks so I can just achieve that overall natural look, since this is an everyday makeup wear. And then here comes the bold lip. I decided to go with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream lipstick in the color Stone Fox. Don't mind me, I like to sing throughout my videos. And it goes on very creamy and smooth, and a little does go a long way. So like once I felt like it was enough on my lips, I just check to see, and then I'm going to show you a little freeze frame, and it's going to just show you how the color looks. It goes on grayish, but then it sets the tone to a bluish undertone. And I love NYX lippies, so I love them a lot. And just showing you guys the final look. This is the outfit I decided to wear. Just a basic blue bodysuit with some black jeans. It's the back, and thank you for watching. See you next time.